guys, today I filmed the video in English because I saw one video in .com digital. It's Noni father channel. They review the squishy in English version. So they said that if someone do it, if you do it, they're gonna come see our video and subscribe our channel. That's why I'm decided to do this video in English. So let's get started. So today I'm gonna review this two LeiLei squishy, and it's a raccoon in hamburger. Look, this one is a hamburger. I got this two from Banggood.com like 2 days ago. Yeah, I got this 2 days ago. Yeah, and I didn't do the opening package. I'm so sorry about that. Yeah, so let's open these two. Oh yeah, I got my bracelet. See, I got my bracelets. I get bracelets on Friday. Yes, yeah, yesterday. Because today is Saturday. But it doesn't hurt like I thought. Before I get bracelet, I thought it's gonna be hurt so much, but it's not. Yeah, I'm wearing a shoe. And this is two hamburger raccoon. Yeah, but it look like macaron, whatever you say. Yeah, the pink one is look like a macaron, but it have another color. Is the yellow, like a bread color like this. But I didn't buy it, but I just buy these two colors. And I'm kind of confused because this one is more bigger than this one. Look, you see, this one is bigger, and this one is more softer. It's more softer than this one. Is more slow rising. This one is more slow rising, a lot. Let's see. See? I don't know why them do it's not the same quality. This one is more soft, more light, and more slow rising. But this one is more dense and it's kind of more heavier. And it's not slow rising like this one. Look. And it's more bigger, as you know. Yeah, and it have a scented. The scented is the strawberry. Yeah, both of them are strawberry. But I like this one more. I don't know why, but I like more than this one that is more slow rising. I just don't like the squishy that take long time to rising. You have to wait a minute for rising. That is not fun for me. This is more fun to squish. Yeah. And both of them have a licensing. Say LeiLei over here. LeiLei squishy LeiLei. LeiLei squishy. It's LeiLei, LeiLei pond. LeiLei squishy over here. I don't know that you guys can see or not. Yeah, you guys see it? LeiLei squishy. And the packaging, I'm gonna show you. This packaging is only see the face over here. It doesn't see the squishy, and it doesn't say the name of the squishy. It just said that LeiLei squishy, the name of the company. Yeah, and the carton. So the packaging doesn't have a lot of detail. Oh yeah, and this one they have a dot the white dot on it. Yeah. Look, it's small. This one is more bigger. I'm not even know why. And I don't know which one you guys gonna get it. Comment down below that you get which one. Like the one that bigger and more dense, or the one that is smaller and more squishier and more softer and more slow rising. Yeah. So today I have to say bye. See you next video. Bye.